Danny Hayasaka with Call One Inc. and I'm super excited. We have the new Plantronics Savi 8200 series here. We have the 8210 and the 8220, and this is just a quick unboxing video so you see what you get when you order these guys. So let's take a look. So inside this box, this is the 8220, you have the actual headset. And what's cool about these headsets and what makes them different from the existing Savi 700 series is that these guys, active noise canceling. So it's great for blocking out the background noise, especially in noisy open office environments. All right, so let's take a look at this. So you see the bass, it hasn't really changed much from the Savi 700 series bass. Let's just keep going and see what's inside. All right, this is nothing. You got this stuff here that people don't read. What do we got here? A little bag of goodies here. All right, so you have, looks like the telephone modular interface cable. Looks like you have your power plug and your USB cable. And there's one more cable in here. And actually, I don't know what this is. I guess it's just like a longer cable. Well, we'll learn more about this when I go to set it up and use it. But for now, here is the new Plantronics 8200 series headset. And again, what makes this awesome is active noise canceling mic, and they've done some new technology on the microphone, or speakers I should say, active noise canceling speakers. Added new technology to this microphone. It's supposed to block out other background noise and just hear your voice, but we'll do a test as well. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that little notification bell to get notified immediately as videos come out, and look at the description box for more information. Thank you so much.